the day this video goes live will be my travel day. I'm going to meet up with some friends. We're going to be talking a lot of different things, talking fragrances, kind of hanging out. And so I'm bringing all kinds of stuff, which actually, we got fragrance decants. We got fragrances here. We got fragrances here. That is stuffed full of fragrances as well. Like I said, I'm bringing a bunch of stuff with me on travel because you never know. So as you can see, I'm bringing a bunch of different things for smelling rates, different stuff to wear. I'm just prepared to do a whole bunch of content because it's not all the time I get opportunities like this to meet up with, you know, some of my favorite people in the world that just so happen to be very into fragrances. Now, as far as what am I going to wear on the plane, I've got a few options I'm deciding between here with Oligarch Parfum. Been loving the hell out of Sauvage Parfum lately. I mean, do I just roll with that? It's easy to just go with that. I just got this in from Kingdom Fragrance. This is Electimuss. This is Auster. I haven't even opened it yet. This giant box, because I got so much in my suitcase already, I don't think I'm going to bring, because whatever I end up wearing, I'm probably going to want to bring. It would have to go in my backpack and my carry-on, or should I do the sensible thing for those around me on the plane and just go with something much more subdued and fresh like Colonia Pura from Acqua de Parma? Been looking for a good reason to wear this one. I actually sprayed it on my hand earlier today. Just an absolutely gorgeous natural citrus, fresh mint leaf, lightly mild green fragrance. This is really good stuff. I don't know how many of you have tried this. Speaking of Kingdom Fragrances, I bought this from Kingdom Fragrances not that long ago. I may end up going this route, but I don't know. Part of me wants, I want some staying power, because between going to the airport, going through all the stuff of dealing with the airport, the length of the flight, landing and everything, I want something that's going to last a while. So one of these may end up being the route because they are quite mass appealing. And honestly, Sauvage Parfum's a little subdued, and Oligarch Parfum as well. As long as I don't spray them heavy, I should be okay. I'll probably go with one of those, and I may end up just throwing this in my bag and taking it with me, and maybe me and my friends that I'm meeting up with can use this in a video and check it out. I don't know. I just wanted to take you guys along for the ride. Definitely stay tuned to the channel. Stay tuned to my Instagram page for different story updates and things like that on who I'm hanging out with, what we're doing, all the things that are be going on, all the different happenings. Like I said, just stay tuned for the channel. I appreciate all of you that did decide to watch this video. I'm just packing right now, basically. Just got out the shower a little while ago. I haven't even sprayed anything yet out the shower. Just kind of, not really scatterbrained, but just trying to make sure I don't forget anything. I pretty much have everything packed that I need packed, because I'm going to be gone for a few days. Not going to be a long trip, but it's not a one-day trip either. So a lot of exciting things going on. So just stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Before you leave this video, check the link tree down in the description. Click the little Instagram icon at the top of the page, and make sure you follow my Instagram. So, because not everything's going to be on the YouTube channel. I do post stuff daily on my IG page. So catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.